So when we're looking at those analytics, we want to be considering some key metrics. The first metric that we're thinking about is reach. So how many people is our content getting in front of? We did have a question on what influences the reach of posts and what type of content is best to increase reach and engagement. So this definitely differs by industry and by geographic region, and I highly encourage you to continue to test. So post different types of content and then go look at your analytics and see, was there a particular piece of content where the reach was greater than the other content? And what was different about that content? Was it the format? So was it a video versus a photo or a carousel? Was it the time that you posted it? Was it the topic? Was it the way that you filmed it? We'll get into this in a little bit here. But also, as I've been kind of saying, video in general tends to be favored by most platforms because it has more ways to engage, because views count as engagement, and they're trying to get people to spend more time on their platforms. At the end of the day, that's the goal of XYZ social media platform. They want more people to stay on their platform, spend time there, see more ads, click on more ads, drive them more ad revenue. So video really supports that goal, because if somebody is watching a video, they're spending more time on the platform, they're scrolling to the next video, they're staying on the platform. And if, awareness and engagement are your goals, then reach is going to be an important metric for you. Again, if engagement is your goal, then you're going to want to be looking at likes, comments, views, watch time, shares, and saves as well. So shares are when somebody is sharing it with another person, either directly on the platform or copying a link to be able to share, via text message or email or however they might share it. And then saves are some platforms where you can literally click, a bookmark and save that particular post to your content to be able to view it later on. So Instagram and TikTok are two big ones that come to mind.